Chef life is a unique and challenging career that requires dedication, passion, and hard work. Chefs spend long hours in the kitchen, preparing and cooking food for their customers. They must be skilled in a variety of cooking techniques and have a deep understanding of ingredients and flavor profiles. Despite the long hours and hard work, many chefs find great satisfaction in their work and take pride in creating delicious and beautiful dishes. Chef life is also depicted in movies such as Chef, which tells the story of a chef's journey to rediscover his passion for cooking. Here are some quotes from chefs that capture the essence of the chef life. Cooking is like love. It should be entered into with abandon or not at all. Harriet Van Horn. Cooking is all about people. Food is maybe the only universal thing that really has the power to bring everyone together. No matter what culture, everywhere around the world, people get together to eat. Guy Fieri. The only real stumbling block is fear of failure. In cooking, you've got to have a what the hell attitude. Julia Child. Chef life is also depicted in the clothing line Chef Life Clothing, which features a hand-drawn script designed especially for the brand.